Alright guys, this is day 2, outdoor gun range. Day 2, baby. Like and subscribe to my channel, alright? Day 2, like and subscribe to my channel, alright? Safety first. Blaze ammunition, yet again. Blaze ammunition, baby. As you can see, LCR sweater. Another one, LCR sweater, baby. Wesson combat mag, yet again. I'm not too sure about which magazine this is, but it came factory with my gun, so might be a factory magazine, an extended clip magazine, Pro Mag again. So, yep, just load them up, loading up the mags. I'm gonna load all 3 up and then I'm gonna shoot. Yep. Extended mag now, baby. Okay. Mag right here. Get this out the way. Okay. Alright guys, Smith & Wesson Performance Center 1911-45. Alright. This magazine is giving me problems. This is the factory magazine. It's giving me a little bit of problems. There you go. Alright. Woo. First mag. This factory magazine is giving me a little bit of problems, Yeah, it's just gotta work on that one. Alright, second round mag. Another 8-round mag right here. Adjust the camera again. Adjust it again. Back a little bit. Yeah. thing's shooting good today. Nice. Another front mag. Now, 10-round mag. Wesson combat mag. So the Wesson combat mags don't give me no issues, but this other mag right here is give me a little bit of problems, you know. So I think it might be a factory Smith & Wesson, you know, magazine, you know. But a Wesson combat mag works good with the. Here we go. All right, extended mag, baby. Ooh. Yep, so there you have it, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. This is day 2 at the outdoor gun range. Alright? Day 2. I may fire some more rounds later on, but we'll see. Alright, guys.